3 months after we opened the doors to Ben&Jack studio, we've done a lot of work. Our foyer, which kind of looks exactly the same. Edit space, also exactly the same. However, we've had lots of people through our podcast space here, lots of podcasters filming, co-workers enjoying that massive table, and our cafe with coffee better than Costa's, apparently, we're told.
Much better than Costa's. Yep, we've got the gorgeous coffee from Martin, 100% Arabica blend. And we are serving amazing hot chocolates, teas, you get syrups with it. We've also got the locally based epic brownies and Ben and Flapjacks, and it's Mocha Monday.
Once you've had your delicious mocha, you can come up to our production space. It's been fantastic to use it for our own productions, done our photo shoots here. We've also had lots of people come in, renting it and using it for their productions. Next step is to get a nice soft floor down to use it for yoga, events, anything you might want to do.
And finally, my favourite part of this whole studio, cinema screen. Massive 2.6 metre screen. We're going to be using it to show our own films. We're also going to be using this space to take workshops for people that want to learn filmmaking. And also, why don't you let us know in the comments if you fancy, if you're local, if you want to have a watch party for the Lionesses game against Sweden on Thursday at 8 PM here at Ben&Jack Studio. Let us know in the comments. Make sure you do though, because we need to get extra seats.